Hello friends, so let us see one more concept in the risk management in clinical laboratory, the use of risk matrix for the assessment of severity or assessment or evaluation of the risk in the risk management. Here the risk matrix is divided into 5 zones where the risk severity and probability are plotted on y-axis and risk detection is plotted on x-axis. And here you can see 5 zones. One is a green zone, then there is a light green zone, then there is a yellow zone, then orange zone, and then finally is the red zone. These zones will classify the risk as per the priority, or with the help of this zone the risk priority can be determined. So green zone determines no risk, so no action is required. Light green zone implies a small risk, so the risk can be mitigated with the help of risk control measures such as training. Yellow zone will implies a moderate risk where a risk control measures, cost effectiveness and selective control measures can be used for the control of the risk. The orange zone is an unacceptable risk where irrespective of the cost involved, the risk must be controlled. Whereas in yellow zone, the cost effectiveness must be considered while selecting the control measure. And finally, the red zone is the severe risk where immediate change of process or design or control measures are required to eliminate the risk. So depending upon these risk categories in the risk matrix, the risk priority must be determined and risk control measure must be used for determining the risk. One more similar type of risk matrix can be plotted using the risk severity and risk probability, where the risk severity will be plotted on y-axis and risk probability will be plotted on x-axis. Here in this risk matrix, the detectability of the risk is not considered and category of the risk is determined on the basis of risk severity as well as probability, and the risk detectability not be considered in this type of risk matrix. So this was all about the risk matrix and how to plot the risk matrix. Thank you for staying with this video.